So dear students, today consider another interesting problem, same topic, same room, same teacher. So we study this problem. Find the bilinear transformation which maps the point z equal to 0 minus 1 I onto w equal to I 0 infinity. Also find the image of the unit circle mod z equal to 1. So these are the values of z given. Z given 0 minus 1 I and W given I 0 infinity. Now we want to solve this. We want to find bilinear transformation. So here Z equal to given Z1 equal to 0, Z2 equal to minus 1, Z3 equal to I. These are given. And W1 equal to given I, W2 equal to 0 and W3 equal to infinity. These values are given. By cross ratio we have what we have W minus W1, W2 minus W3 by W minus W3, W2 minus W1, this equal to right hand side also same in terms of Z, Z minus Z1, Z2 minus Z3, Z minus Z3 and Z2 minus Z1. This is our cross ratio formula. By using this formula we can easily find the bilinear transformation. Putting the values, these values are W minus, so here given W3 given infinity. If it is W3 is infinity, from this and this taking W3 common, from this and this taking W3 common. So W minus W1, from these two taking W3 common because infinity is given. So this is W2 by W3 minus 1, and here from these two taking W3 common, then we get W by W3 minus 1, and this is remain same W2 minus W1, and right hand side no problem, these are remain same Z minus Z1, Z2 minus Z3 by Z minus Z3. This is Z2 minus Z1. So these are remain same. Now these two are cancelled and we putting the values of W1, W2, W3. W minus W1, W1 is I. This one I given, we putting I. And W2 means 0. 0 by W3 means infinity. This minus 1, minus 1. This is W by W3, W3 is infinity, this is infinity, minus 1, W2 means 0, and W1 means I. These are the values of W1, W2, W3, and right hand side, Z minus Z1, Z1 is 0, Z2 minus Z3, minus 1 minus I, minus 1 minus I, Z minus Z3, Z3 is I, Z minus Z3, Z3 I, Z2 minus Z1, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1 minus 0. So just putting the values we get this one. So this line is clear. So no problem, we can easily solve this one. So this will be W minus I, this is W minus I, this is remain same, and this is 0 minus 1. Directly we write minus 1. And this is something by infinity 0, so 0 minus 1, and this is minus I. And on right hand side, this is Z, and from these two taking minus sign common, if we taking minus one common, 1 plus I we get, and denominator z minus I remains same, and this is minus 1, z minus I minus 1 we get. So w minus I, this minus 1 cancel, we get minus I, and on right hand side this minus cancel, z 1 plus I, this is z minus I, we get this one. Just this minus minus cancel, this minus 1 cancel, we get this one. Now, so after calculation we get this w minus I remains same, and multiplying this I this side, minus I z 1 plus I by z minus I, we get this one. So this will be, this I taking right hand side, w equal to z minus I minus iz 1 plus I, this I taking right hand side, this will be plus I, and taking LCM, z minus I minus iz 1 plus I, and this is I into z minus I. So if we taking LCM, then we get this one. So we get this one. Now multiplying this, these are multiplying as usual multiplication, z minus I, this is minus iz into 1, this one minus I square z, I square is minus 1, this is z we get, and this is iz, I square minus I square means plus 1, because we know I square equal to minus 1. So denominator remains same, and iz cancel, we get z minus I, and this is z plus 1. This is our w, which is the required bilinear transformation, which is the required bilinear transformation, because this is number 1 we consider. Bilinear transformation means w equal to az plus b cz plus d. This is our bilinear transformation, az plus b cz plus d. Just like w equal to in terms of z, this is our bilinear transformation. So first part is over. Find the bilinear transformation which makes the z this, w this, and this is our final answer. So next you have to find image, second part. Also find the image of the image circle mod z equal to 1. Now consider second part. Also find the image of the image circle mod z equal to 1. Now second part we consider second part. So from this equation 1, from 1 we have, what we have, just multiplying this one in left hand side, w into z minus I equal to z plus 1. Just this one multiplying this side, we get w into z minus I equal to z plus 1. So wz minus iw equal to z plus 1. So wz minus z equal to iw plus 1. Taking z left hand side, is iw on right hand side. So taking z common, we get w minus 1. This is iw plus 1. So z equal to iw plus 1 by w minus 1. This is the value of z, iw plus 1, z minus 1. Now taking modulus on both sides, iw plus 1 by w minus 1. We are taking modulus. Why we are taking modulus? Because in our problem mod z given, mod z equal to 1 given. So this mod z is putting 1 equal to, this is iw plus 1 by w minus 1. This, since mod z equal to 1. Now this implies, so we can write IW plus 1 by W minus 1. We separate the modulus. This equal to 1. IW plus 1 equal to W minus 1. So on squaring both sides, if we squaring both sides and putting W equal to U plus IV plus 1, U plus IV minus 1. This W equal to U plus IV, W equal to U plus IV, we putting this value U plus IV and squaring both sides, we get this is IU plus I square means minus 1 minus V plus 1 whole square. This is U minus 1 plus IV whole square. So we separate real and imaginary parts. 1 minus V plus IU whole square. This is U minus 1 plus IV whole square. We get this one. So this is next. We know this in complex number modulus of A plus IB. If we remove this modulus, then A square plus B square. And if we squaring both sides, then no need to write this. This square root will be cancelled. We get only A square plus B square. If we squaring both sides, we get this one. Now we squaring this. Squaring both sides means root over no need to write. Directly using this A square plus B square. This is 1 minus V whole square plus U square equal to U minus 1 whole square plus V square. We get this one. This is A minus B whole square formula. A square minus twice AB plus B square. This is U square. A minus B whole square. This is the second formula in our life. So dear students, answer coming soon. Within a short time answer will come in our whiteboard. This V square cancel. U square cancel. 1 cancel. We get minus twice V equal to minus twice U. 2 cancel. V equal to U we get. So this is our final answer. This is the image and this is our answer. So I think this solution is clear. If this solution is clear, then please subscribe my channel and like this video. And if there is any confusion, any difficulties, then write in comment box.